What's the worst part about free camping for the fairer sex, babe?
Keeping the muddy kids clean.
Enter the KickAss shower awning. So obviously hygiene is really important no matter who you are, but when it comes to kids, if you've got kids, it's way easier having a little toilet and shower area just for them to clean up. Also a little change room. So this is going to double for us as a change room, a toilet and a shower. Gives you that little bit of privacy to do your business, to have a shower, to get changed, all that sort of stuff. So that's why I've gone with this one. But anyway, let's get into putting this thing onto the car. Okay, so the kit comes with the shower awning itself, 4 pegs, 2 L brackets, a peg bag, and a bag of bolts and nylock nuts. All these nuts and bolts, these will work for the roller rack that I have on the ute, but it is easier if I use some roller T-bolts that slide straight into these channels. So I've gone out and picked up 1 packet of these roller T-bolts with the wing nuts on top. These will slide straight into the channels of our roller roof rack. If you haven't already seen the roller roof rack review, go over and check that one out. But these things aren't cheap. You definitely don't need these. These are, I think, 35 bucks for 4 bolts. So they're not cheap, but they're just a lot easier to work with. If we ever have to move this thing or take it off for any reason, it's easy to do. We don't need a tool. It's just quick and simple. So hot tip. Now when it comes to mounting one of these things to our roof rack in particular, the roller rack, it's really easy to do. Simply take off these Velcro tabs, open the ends, and you can slide your bolt straight into the end to wherever you want it. These channels make life really easy when you're going to tighten everything up. So short tab over first, long tab over the top, and the same on the other side. Do your long one, short one, peel the end back. First bolt in, second bolt in. Nope. Tab back over. Short one first, then the long one. So what these ends are going to do, they're going to stop your bolts from coming out once, but they're also going to just protect those ends. So they're a nice sort of leathery material on the outside and then Velcro on the inside. So really good little feature. Really simple one, but really, really good. You usually get little plastic end pieces that you have to push in, and you always lose them no matter where you are. First drive, the one on the rear will fly off and you'll never see it again. So really good little feature by KickAss. It's mad. Alright, next thing you want to do is just grab your bracket, stick it straight over your bolts, and get your nylock nuts hand tight. You don't want to do these up all the way yet. Just get them hand tight so they're just going to stay on there. But you guys would remember, if you've seen this solar panel install before on Instagram or YouTube, that I used these T-bolts to mount my solar panel down. So my idea is that I'm going to use the same one on this end that I mounted down my solar panel with, and that just slots in there, nice and easy. And then I'm going to use a fresh one on the other end. So I'll get this one screwed up and I'll show you the other side and show you how they screw down. So you guys should be able to see the channel here of the roof rack and our bracket here for our shower awning. So you can see that lines up perfectly, and I've still got a little bit of play here. This is why I leave those loose. I've still got some play where I can move this bracket side to side if I wanted to, but it lines up almost perfect. So I'm just going to move that to the side. I want to show you guys how these T-bolts work. They are the easiest way of mounting anything to one of these roller roof racks. So you see, you just drop it in, slide it to wherever you need it, and tighten it down. My idea was originally to use this one here as well, but the bracket just doesn't have quite enough length on it. So we're going to settle for just using one. I'll move you guys just a bit closer so you can see how easy this thing is. And that really is as easy as it gets. Super simple way to mount one of these things, or any awning for that matter. These channels that Roller do are absolutely unreal. This is why I love this roof rack. But enough of that. Let's go around and quickly nip them up with a 10mm spanner or 10mm socket. So there you have it, guys. That's how easy and fast it is to install one of these KickAss shower awnings. If you guys are interested in a KickAss shower awning, I'll leave a link down in the description box below. And if you haven't already checked it out, have a look at this video here to see our review and rundown of the shower awning and how we're going to use it in our setup. Also, guys, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button underneath. That'll keep you guys up to date with all of our updates, all of our videos, our reviews, our installs, everything. So until next time, guys, get out and about.